Cauchy's linear differential equation. I told you that linear means product of y and dy by dx should not be there. And degree is 1. Okay. Cauchy's linear differential equation standard form is A naught. First I will write only the quadratic form. It is same for the procedure is same for the cubic and higher order. Okay. A naught x square into d square y by dx square plus a1 into x dy by dx plus a2 into y is equal to phi of x. It is called Cauchy's. It is a standard form of the Cauchy's linear differential equation. I considered only the second order. So third order, fourth order and higher order it may be. Okay. So next what I will do. So a naught x square, just I will explain you the procedure. It is d square y plus a1 x into dy plus a2 y is equal to phi of x. All of you, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now take y common. A naught x square into d square. So before going to take d square common. So next very important step. So after writing this step, so here we have a variable, right? Here we have a variable coefficient for d square as a naught x square. Here we have a variable coefficient for d as a1x. So now I want to reduce variable coefficient to the constant coefficient by taking the suitable substitution. Are you getting? Are you getting? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Second, ma'am.
So here we have variable coefficients, right? We have variable coefficients. Now I am going to take some substitution to make variable coefficient to the constant coefficients. I am going to reduce this differential equation with the variable coefficient to the constant coefficients. Then I can solve by using the methods what we discussed already. Okay. And what substitution we need to take to reduce this to the constant coefficients? So that is substitution is put x equal to e power t. If you put x equal to e power t, what is t? T is equal to log
X.
log x. Okay. I'm going to take the substitution for x as e power t. So x equal to e power t means we know that t is log x. Okay. And also if you take this substitution dy. So here we have dy, right? Dy, x into dy, including this x into dy, x dy will take the value x into dy will take the value just dy. I will tell you how it is. So capital D stands for d by dt. Okay. So here x into dy will reduce to dy. Next, x square into d minus 1y will reduce to what? Anybody, can you tell me? So, x square into d square y. X square into d square y. It is reduced to d into d minus 1 into y. Here where d is d by dt. So just you have to remember that if we have a differential equation is of the form a naught x square into d square y by dx square plus a1 x into dy by dx plus a naught, just I am repeating it, a naught y is equal to phi of x. You write this by using capital D, a naught x square into capital D square y plus a1 x into capital dy plus a naught into y is equal to phi of x. Don't take constant. So now So since we have a variable coefficient, we have to reduce this to the constant coefficient by taking the substitution for x as put x equal to e power t. This implies t is equal to log x. And also here what is capital D? Here capital D is d by dx. Okay, here capital D in the given problem is d by dx, but we are going to convert x to t. So next x into dy, x into dy will take the value dy. So here where d is equal to d by dt, we are converting to t. So next x square into d square y, here we have x square into d square y. So x square into d square y will reduce to d into d minus 1 into y, where capital D is d by dt. Suppose if you have x cube into d cube y is d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y you will get. Okay.
Ma'am, why are we
Yes.
substituting x is equal to e per t?
So because I want to convert variable coefficient to the constant coefficient, here I cannot directly simplify to get the solution. I'm going to convert this to the constant coefficients. So constant coefficient means type 1, type 2, type 3 what we discussed now. So I'm going to convert this variable coefficient to either of that forms, depends on the RHS. Then I can solve it easily. Okay, this is a procedure what we have to follow. So put x equal to e power t, t equal to log x. So in place of x into dy, just you write dy, but here the capital D stands for d by dt. Okay. So next, dx square into d square y is reduced to d into d minus y, d into d minus 1 into y, where capital D stands for d by dt. If you have x cube into d cube y, then it reduced to d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y, d minus 2 into y, etc. It will continue. Okay, then you substitute these values in the above equation, then simplify, you will get, so what you are already discussed. So that is type 1, type 2, type 3. Either of one form you will get it. Okay? So
Yes,
while
ma'am.
solving the problems, you will get the clarity on this. Okay, I will take one problem, then I will explain each and everything what I gave the introduction now for Cauchy's linear differential equation. So look at here, solve x square into d square y by dx square plus, sorry, not plus, minus 3x into dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 1 plus x whole square. Okay, 1 plus x whole square. So look at here, please don't write. First form I will explain. So x square into d square y by dx square can be written as what?
D square y.
D square y minus 3x into
X.
dy.
dy plus 4y is equal to, here I will write, I will simplify the RHS by using the a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So next we have to take the substitution for x. Put x equal to what?
E to the power t.
E
to the power
this
t.
implies, what is t?
T equal to log x.
Log x. Okay, t equal to log x. At the end we will resubstitute. That's what I am writing. Okay, then what is d into y? What is x into dy?
dy.
dy.
Next, what is x square into d square y?
T
into d minus 1 y.
T into d minus 1.
Into y. Therefore, now this given differential equation is reduced to, okay, what shall I write in place of x square into d square y?
D into d minus 1 y.
Minus 1 into
Right, minus 3 into, what shall I write x in place of x into dy?
dy.
dy.
dy plus 4y as it is equal to, now 1 So see here in the LHS we don't have x. We substituted for x also. So but in the RHS also we have to substitute for x. What is x in terms of t?
E power
E to the
t.
power
E power t. Compulsory you should substitute for x also. E power t whole square plus 2 into e power t. Okay. Next take y common in the LHS. Take y common in the LHS. Now what we left here? D into d minus 1. That is d square minus d. Next minus 3d we left with. Minus 3d. Next plus 4. Correct? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? 1 plus e power t into e power t is e power 2t plus 2 into e power t. Okay, now simplify here. It is d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 1 plus e power 2t plus 2 e power t. So it is like f of d into y is equal to, instead of phi of x we have phi of t.
T.
Correct? Huh? LHS is the differential equation with constant coefficients.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now can we solve by using the previous methods what we discussed already?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So since it is a non-homogeneous differential equation, but instead of x what we have?
T.
T. In the answers in finding yc and yp, instead of x what should we write?
T.
See, that's it. So general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Okay. To find yc, what we should consider?
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary equation. To find yc, consider the auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. What is f of m?
M square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0.
4m plus 4 is equal to 0. It is like m minus
Minus 2 the
m
whole
minus 2 whole square. M minus 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. That means m minus 2 is equal to 0 or m minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is m here?
Plus 2.
And m is 2. So m is equal to 2 comma 2 we got. So since it is a second order differential equation, we got two roots for m. Correct? Therefore, what is yc? Roots are real and what?
equal.
Equal.
Y
Then how
is
to
equal to
write
C1
yc?
C1 plus
C1
C2
plus C2
C to the
Instead
power
of x,
e to the power 2x.
instead of x,
C2x
to the power 2t, ma'am.
T ma'am.
t. C1 plus C2t into e power
E to the power 2t.
2t. Okay, so this is our yc. Next we go for yp. Yp is equal to phi of t divided by what? F of d. Okay, what is phi of t? 1 plus e power 2t plus 2 into e power t divided by f of d. Now split the numerator. 1 by f of t plus e power 2t by f of d plus 2 into e power t by f of d. Okay. So that, is there any doubt up to here? Is there any doubt? See, we reduced variable coefficients to the constant coefficients. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. We go for yp. So everything is same only, but in the starting steps, we have to remember and we have to consider it. Next to find yp, considered, already we considered. So yp is equal to, what's the first term? 1 na? 1 by f
Yes,
of d
ma'am. 1 by f of t.
plus e power 2t by f of d plus 2 into e power t by f of d. Call it as equation number 2. This is P1, this is P2 and this is P3. So to find P1, consider 1 by f of d. How can we write 1 as?
To the power 2t.
0 t.
D. Don't write x. T. Okay, by f of d. What is f of d?
D square minus 4d plus 4.
Minus 4d plus 4. Okay. So which type it is?
Type 1.
Type 1, ma'am.
Type 1. In type 1, put d equal to what?
A equal to
A.
0.
0. Therefore, P1 is equal to e power 0t divided by 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 4. So what is e power 0t? That is 1. 1 by 4. Correct? P1 is 1 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Next come to P2. P2 is equal to e power 2t by f of d. F of d is d square minus 4d plus 4. So which type it is? Numerator?
Type 1.
Type 1.
Type
In
1.
type 1, put d equal to what?
A equal to 2.
A is equal to 2.
Therefore, P2 become e power 2t divided by 2 square is 4 minus 4 into 2 plus 4. What you got the denominator?
0.
If you got denominator 0, what we should consider?
Multiply t in the numerator by
the
dash of
dash
t.
of D.
By f dash of d. Instead of x, we should take multiplication of t. T into e power 2t by what is f dash of d? If it is a f of d, what is f dash of d?
2D minus 4.
2d minus 4.
2d minus 4. So again it is type 1. Put d equal to what?
2.
2 only. 2 only. Therefore P1 is equal to t into e power 2t divided by 2 into 2 minus 4. Correct? Which is equal to
Yes,
t
ma'am.
into
0.
e power 2t by 0 we got.
0.
Denominator is 0. Next what?
Again multiply t in the numerator divided by
T
f
square.
double dash of
T square e power 2t by f double dash of d. Correct? All of you are getting?
yes, ma'am.
Next t square e power 2t divided by f double dash means you differentiate this. We have already 2d minus 4. You differentiate this again. What you got?
2.
2, ma'am.
2 alone. 2 alone. Therefore, P2 neither P1 or P2. P2 is equal to t square e power 2t by 2. We got P2. Correct? Next P3. Consider P3. P3 is equal to what? 2 into e power t by f of d. What is f of d?
f of t. D square minus 4d plus 4.
Plus 4. Which type it is?
Type
Type
1.
1.
Type 1. In type 1 put what?
D equal to A equal to 1.
P3 is equal to 2 into e power t. Here A is 1. AT. A is 1. 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 4. What you got the denominator?
1, ma'am.
5 minus 4.
1 na?
Yes, ma'am.
This P3 is equal to 2 into e power t. Right?
E to the power t. Yes, ma'am.
After finding P1, P2, P3, what we should do?
We have to put in yp, ma'am.
Substitute in yp. Substitute in yp. So now what is yp? Equation 2. What is equation 2 become now?
1 by 2 plus t square e to the power of 2t by 2 plus 2 et.
Equation
1 by
2.
4.
Hello.
Yp is equal to 1 by 4
Equation
plus
2
t square e
become
power 2t.
yp is equal to, what is P1? 1 by 4. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is P2?
T square e power 2t by 2.
T square e power 2t by 2. Plus or minus?
Plus, ma'am.
So next one. Plus or minus?
Plus 2 8
Plus
t.
2et.
Plus 2 et.
E power t by That's all, huh?
1, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
By 1 means 2 e power t only. Okay, after finding yc and yp, what we should do?
Substitute in y.
We substitute in equation.
Equation 1. So y is equal to what we got yc?
C1
C2t
C2t e to the power of 2t.
C2t into e power 2t plus yp is 1 by 4 plus t square e power 2t by 2 plus 2 into e power t. See, so given question is in terms of what? X or t?
X, ma'am.
X only,
X,
but we
ma'am.
got the answer in t. We have to re-substitute for t in terms of x. That's what I'm going to rewrite my equation as, my solution as C1 plus C2t. E power 2t can be written as e power t whole square. Is it right? Is it right? What is e power t into e power t?
E power t whole square.
E power t the
E
whole
power t
square.
whole square. Correct? Huh? E power t into e power t is e power t whole square. Right? Bases are same, add the powers. What you will get? T plus t.
2t.
2t. Bases are same now. Bases are same, add the powers. E power t plus t is 2t. Right? E power 2t is nothing but e power t whole square. You write this in one side of your page. So next 2 into e power t. But what is t equal to? In terms of x, what is t?
Log x.
Log
Log x. And what is e power t in terms of x?
x.
X. Now substitute all these things. So we obtained y is equal to c1 plus c2 into, instead of t you should write log x, into e power t. E power t is nothing but x square plus 1 by 4 into t square. T means log x whole square, e power t is x square by 2 plus 2 into e power t is x. This will be our final solution. Did you clear?